College of Community Science Tura Kabaha Haka Central Agricultural University Imphal Hene Kala Pulong Ya Jingalang Berkilat Pathai Kabor and Pintip Sepang ka National Biocellular Meat Cum Exhibition Indigenous and Heritage Product of Northeast India Kaban Long Haka Arp Sautrik But Arp Santrik Unaitung Aja Apan Rio State Convention Center Shillong.
Engagement with farmers, artisans, women entrepreneurs, and self-help groups, and the rural communities across the northeastern region. The College of Community Science, Tura Meghalaya, affiliated to the Central Agriculture University, also serves as a vital link between traditional knowledge and the modern enterprises and enterprise development. The expertise what the college offers mainly in the textile and apparel, the food and food processing and nutrition, the family as well as farm resource management, human development and early childhood education, and so on and so forth, highlighting the importance of value addition provides a strong foundation for convening the academia, industry, policymakers, and the grassroots stakeholders on a common platform. That is why during last year 2025 we organized a national symposium on threads of heritage at UNIUM that got a lot of appreciation from the policymakers as well as the entrepreneurs as well as the industry people, and we were encouraged to take the artisans and entrepreneurs from the northeastern region to Delhi, where we organized the same conclave, the same event, but at a bigger level, national conclave on weaving India together in October 2025. That saw a great success among the artisans as well as there we got an encouragement again to have this event, that is we got just to host the national buyers and sellers meet come exhibition. This event is planned to be organized at the State Convention Center Shillong, and the CAU, the College of Community Science, will be hosting this. It is scheduled on 24th and 25th July 2027. Under this, the two events will bring together the artisans, entrepreneurs, producer groups, women-led enterprises, investors and buyers. There are few retailers also and other market stakeholders who will be promoting the diverse indigenous products of the northeastern region. And here the event is expected to witness more than 150 artisans, and they are all sponsored by different line department and stakeholders also, like Prime Meghalaya. Then we have a lot of encouragement from the government of Meghalaya itself, the MSSTS, then DOFP Meghalaya, then MBMA, MBDA, and other organizations, Farmers Commission, NABARD, MSRLS, all the departments are giving good encouragement for this, and then they are deputing their entrepreneurs to and the startups, rural startups, to participate in this program. The details of that will be given by Dr. Ranima. We, the team CAU, headed by our Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra, are all set to welcoming you all to this event. We humbly request the officials, staff of related government departments, line departments, private institutions, education institutions, students as well as general public to visit the stalls, encourage the artisans of the northeastern region. I request Ranima to please.
The objective is to connect the artisans directly with the buyers and investors, so that we can help them in promotion of their innovations, what they are doing at their own level, local level. And the most important thing in this particular exhibition are the light demonstrations. We will have light demonstrations on weaving, where you will see our 7 sisters will be sitting together to give the demonstration of their textile heritage of their states. And in addition to that, we will have the demonstration from all the 8 states of Northeastern region, where they will be giving demonstration on different types of crafts, like bamboo crafts, mask artisans will be there, and your like back pottery artisans will be there. So these are 2 main attractions during this program. Apart from that, we will have almost 80 artisan groups who will be participating in the exhibition stalls, where they will exhibit their GI tag items from their own regions. Almost 11 GI tag item stalls will be there during the program, and so mostly on like the bell metal, then dali chili of Sikkim, from Mizoram also GI tag items are coming, from Assam like Johar rice, that the magic rice. All these artisans are participating, and they also will. This also will provide a learning. This is not only for sell. This will provide a platform to learn many things from those artisans also. And then in addition to this, one of the most important thing is that that they will have numbers of investors and buyers from the northern part of India. So this will be a very good scope for the artisans to promote and the northeastern culture throughout the country and even abroad also. So these are the most important things. So we will have like almost 55 handicraft stalls, and almost like 10 to 12 handloom stalls are there. And in addition to that, others are related to the value-added food products. So I wish all the people should come and promote our esteemed artisans by visiting their stalls, by interacting with them, and by promoting them. Thank you.
They are preparing Central Agriculture University in Imphal. We look forward to see not only just the officials from the state departments, but also college students and the general public to this national buyer-seller meet. Because like Dr. Ranima had just explained, it is a wonderful platform for the students to actually see what the startups are doing, the quality of the materials that these startups are producing, and that they are worthy of being sold, not just in the local markets, but right at our national capital and throughout the country. So we would be glad if people of Shillong would come and participate, not just looking at the stalls, but you're most welcome to attend the technical sessions also. You can officially register, or you can come just as visitors and encourage our farmers also. And you may be wondering what the university has to do with startups. Well, the mandate of the Central Agriculture University is not just teaching. We have the 3 pillars. We have research, teaching, as well as extension. And this program is a part of the extension mandate of the university. So thank you all for coming today.